Your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock.
So here's a better one. Pretend there's a documentary crew filming your success story, and they're following you around right now. What would you do? What would you do if you knew that there was a crew following you around with cameras documenting your future?
I just broke up with my ex. Now I'm already single. I don't really know what's next, but I ain't even tripping. I'm jealous. Hey back. I know they will be coming from the right and the left. I just broke up with my ex. You know what I'm feeling as I lay on your chest. Good conversation got me holding my breath. And I don't normally say this, but goddamn, you're the best, the best, best. And if it feels right, promise I don't mind. And if it feels right, promise I'll stay here all night. Just let me love.
You know, it's true what they say. Behind every great man is a strong woman.
Oh, I wouldn't know. I've never stood behind a man.
Bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich.
If you've recently gone through a divorce, or maybe you just feel like life has passed you by with nothing to show for it, you really want to hear this. I promise it's worth your time. This is my sweet, beautiful mother. She and my father divorced after 21 years of marriage. My father was the main provider of our household, and my mother worked small jobs here and there. Already in her 40s with limited job experience and no college credits, she had a hard time taking care of herself financially. She felt like she was letting me and my brother down all the time. My father even told her once, "You'll never make it without me." Well, he was so wrong. She started college, graduated with honors, and then was accepted into law school. It was tough and she felt like giving up so many times, but she persevered and graduated. After passing the bar exam, she opened her own law firm. Now, not only is she surviving, but she's thriving. She bought her dream car, she bought a beautiful home, and a piano, which she's now using to teach herself how to play. If you feel like giving up, don't. It's never too late to unlock your potential. Go out there and prove everyone wrong.
Go get that degree, go.
We've been waiting for this story all morning, and here it is. A new way to shed excess fat without the traditional liposuction could soon be coming to the United States. A test of a non-invasive procedure, no cutting, no needles, no incisions, nothing, that uses ultrasound to break down fat. I heard about this and I was like, oh, I heard of this. This is that smart lipo that's, you know, a laser and it's not as invasive. It's not that.
It's not.
It's no incisions whatsoever. Tell us how this thing works.
Right, and I rarely say this, but this is the real deal. This is going to be the next best thing since sliced bread and cosmetic procedures. It's an external ultrasound that it requires no incisions, no recovery, that melts fat, and the body normally metabolizes it just as it would a fatty meal, and you get skinnier.
Got the people saying, Brooklyn saying, I see.
Your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock, put your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey.
Someone may need to hear this. When I graduated high school, I had a big decision to make. Was I gonna go away to college, or was I gonna stay home? I wanted to stay home because Francesco was home, my boyfriend. I didn't want to leave him. I thought that if I left, I would never see him again. We would break up. We would never be. I had a big decision to make. Was I gonna put me first, or someone else? My mom told me to do what's best for me. And I knew going away to college was the best thing for me. A new place to learn and grow, a new environment, change, a new experience. And I would hope and pray that me and Francesco would make it. So I took the risk and I went away to college. And we broke up because of it. And I cried and I cried and I thought it was all my fault. And my mom always told me if it's meant to be, he'll be back. You guys will find your way back to each other. 4 years later, I'm back with Francesco. So the point of this video is, you need to do what makes you the best version of yourself. You need to put yourself first. You is what's most important. Do not hold back for anyone, because what's meant for you will be for you. And if it's meant to be, it will be.
Hi, do me a really quick favor. Close your eyes. Good, drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench the jaw. And take a big, big, big breath in. I'll do it with you, and when you get to the top of the breath, hold it. I want you to think about one thing you really, really love and appreciate about yourself. Keep holding that breath in. Good, big exhale, let it all go. Drop the shoulders down and open your eyes. You're gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be fine, I promise.
Bitch, you're my soulmate.
Babies, you know what time it is. I want all of my beautiful angel goddesses. I want all of your attention right now, okay? We're gonna do some daily reminders. 1, drink your water. 1, drink your water. 2, he ain't shit. You know who you are. 3, we are vibrating in queen energy today. You know why? Because that is what we deserve, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna look at yourself in the mirror. Blow yourself a kiss. Mwah. Bask in it. Ooh, ah, okay? Smack your own ass. Because we are it. You are it. You are special. You are beautiful. You are kind. You are unique. Just because people come into your life and treat you the wrong way does not mean you get to lower the standards that you set for yourself. You are it, baby. Walk this earth today like the queen that you are, and never forget your worth. Okay? I love you, babies. Mwah.
Stop! You better take back what you just said about yourself. What's the matter with you? You think you're not good enough? Do you know what you just did? Look what you have been doing your whole life. Like, sis, you are amazing. How can you say that about yourself? You are beautiful. You are the baddest. You are the most hardworking chick I know. So stop that right now. That's some lies. That's some lies. That's some lies. You are enough. Don't forget it. And if you do, come back and I'll remind you again. Okay? Be nice to yourself. You deserve it.
I've been having a tough past few days, and apparently I'm not the only one. But I decided to make it a little bit better today and take myself on a date. See, I started doing this thing where anytime that I get down enough about not having a companion or someone around me, I take myself and a book to a restaurant somewhere nearby, support the local workers, always tip more than 20%, and, you know, take some leftovers home. I do allow myself to have a few off and sad days, but if it lasts more than a few days, I like to get up and do something about it for myself. And, you know, that usually includes getting myself flowers and a favorite beer of mine. Just remember, no one's going to treat you the way that you want to be treated until you learn to treat yourself that way. Love yourself.